With the Pattern Creator, you can design complete knitting or crochet patterns directly in the app with detailed information. The modular system lets you build your pattern easily with parts and various content types like row instructions, photos, charts, and videos. To start, create a new pattern and add the basic information like the title, description, difficulty level, craft, and sizes. You will be able to give size-specific instructions later on. Add further details like yarns and needles, terminology, gauge, and counters. You can edit this at any time. Next, start adding content. You can choose from different content blocks: text, photo, video, and charts. Written instructions can include free text, row-by-row steps, and photos to be displayed next to the text. Add size-specific instructions for easier crafting later on. You can give your pattern more structure by sectioning it in parts. Rearrange your content by dragging it. Tap the three dots to edit, copy, or delete content. You can add a chart by importing one from the chart tool or creating it from scratch. Once you're satisfied with the content, return to the pattern overview to preview and generate. Tick the box if you don't want to share your pattern in the RC Pattern tab. After generating, you can share your pattern. Create a project directly in the app, or download a PDF version. Enjoy getting creative and happy crafting.